Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering 6 slices of crustless white sandwich bread for about 3 cups of panko. Remove all crusts and tear the bread into roughly 1-inch pieces before processing. You do not need yeast, milk, or additional flour for this basic recipe. If desired, press slices slightly to remove excess air for a lighter crumb. Prepare 1 baking sheet lined with parchment to dry the crumbs later in the oven. Tear the bread into small chunks and pulse briefly in a food processor until coarse. Spread the coarse pieces in a 1/2-inch layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet for even drying. Bake at 300 degrees F, 150 degrees C, for 45 to 60 minutes, checking and stirring every 15 minutes to prevent browning. After cooling 5 to 10 minutes, pulse the dried bread 3 to 5 times for a flaky texture. Avoid overprocessing to keep the characteristic panko flake. Cool the finished panko completely before storing to avoid moisture buildup and clumping. Store in an airtight container up to 2 weeks at room temperature or freeze up to 3 months for longer life. For extra crunch, toast 2 cups of panko in a skillet with 1 tablespoon oil until golden, stirring constantly for 2 to 3 minutes. Use about 2 cups panko to coat 1 pound of chicken or fish for a crisp, light crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.